So today we're going to remove a drive hub from a TVS Supercharger. This is on the rotor pack side. The rotor pack is slid into the case from the back side, and this drive hub is pressed on, so you can't get the rotor pack off while this is still on. So my new style is aluminum with a grade 8 nut. I'm going to keep using the one I've had for 5 years or more. And so this is slotted holes, so it works on LSA, LS9, the M series that have the threaded holes, which some do. So we're going to put that in. Just going to run these in until they touch. Okay, now I have a forcing screw with anti-seize on it. Yeah, you want to be messy. It makes it a lot easier. So I have a 20 volt DeWalt impact. This is a brushless, so it hits, but it's just a 1/4 inch drive. I'm gonna run that in. So I'm actually gonna stick my fingers back in the rotor pack because it doesn't hit that hard. My battery's dying. Oh, come on, battery. Almost there. Made it with a dead battery. So that pulls it off. I just stripped it off by pushing on the shaft. So we can take it. So that's how the drive hub removal tool works. So now you can unbolt the rotor pack and you'll be able to take it out the back.